YouTube channel. This is Pearl here and you're watching Magical Pearl. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first, there are 6 phases. Now what are phases? One side of the cube is called as faces. Okay, and now there are 6 phases as I said, and each one has a color. Blue, green, orange, red, white and yellow. Okay, now these all are interconnected. We need to know which color, which side is, or which face is opposite to which face. So the blue face is opposite to green face, always. The red face is opposite to orange face, and the white face is opposite to the yellow face. Okay, and one more thing, the centerpiece here, you can see with only one sticker. Okay, that is called that cannot be moved actually. Okay, no matter how hard you try, this is a fixed piece. Okay, and the one which you see here with 2 stickers, one over here and one over here. Okay, these are called as edge pieces, and the one which you see with 3 stickers here, one here, one here and one here, these are called as corner pieces. Okay, and that's all you need to know about the stickers. Now let's move on to the notations. So to move your right side in clockwise direction, we will use R, and to move it in anti-clockwise direction, we will use R dash or R apostrophe. Same goes for the left. If we want to move the left side in clockwise direction, we will use L, and anti-clockwise, L dash. Before I move on, a small tip to remember clockwise and anti-clockwise. Always imagine this edge piece is 12, and you go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then for anti-clockwise, you go 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay? So now let's go for the top. Top, clockwise, we will move it like this. We will call it U. And anti-clockwise, we'll call it U dash. Why we are calling it U? Because this is basically up, down, front. We'll use U and U dash or U apostrophe. Next, we'll go for the front. Okay. For clockwise direction, we will use F, and for anti-clockwise direction, we will use F dash or F apostrophe. Now for down, we will use D to go in clockwise direction and D dash or D apostrophe to an anti-clockwise direction. So that's all you need to know about the Rubik's Cube, and this will really help you for learning the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so guys, here's a small exercise for you, because you need to keep on practicing so that it will be easier for you to learn the whole Rubik's Cube easily. Okay, so practice R, R dash, L, L dash, U, U dash, D, D dash and F, F dash. Okay? Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like, share and comment. Bye.